आंखों में नमी थी,
आंखों में नमी थी।
विटामिन सी की कमी थी,
विटामिन सी क्या कमी थी?
जिससे मैंने सारी रात बात की, जिससे मैंने सारी रात बात की, मैंने सारी रात बात की, वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की
और मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड की
मम्मी थी.
मम्मी थी।
Ok. Donc, c'est la place où la corde de Mahatma Gandhi a été brûlée. MashaAllah, Mazi Saab, that's amazing, yeah? Superb and incredible. Yeah. He knows great French, I think, right? Even I understood only Mahatma Gandhi, Nathuram Godse, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. Apart from this, everything got bounced, you know?
खुदा करे कि जिंदगी में वो मकाम आए, तुझे भूलने की दुआ करूं पर दुआ में तेरा नाम।
दुआ में तेरा नाम आए। मोहब्बतें उल्फतें चाहते सब कुछ इस दुनिया में रहता नहीं। आज मैं हूं जहां कल कोई और था। ये भी एक दौर है, वो भी एक दौर था और थोड़ा हमारा आपके ऊपर गौर था। राइट? लीवर कहाँ है? लीवर इस साइड। When there is any मैयत, what will you say? हाँ? तो कोई मैयत होगी तो क्या बोलोगे? हाँ, आप देखें, इनको भी देखिए क्या एकदम सप्रेस साउंड है। सामने वाले को सवाब की बजाय गुनाह लग जाएगा। So today's session is first of all about clarity of each and everything. Whether when you speak clearly or not. So I have noticed each and everyone that they speak just like that. They are new Dulha and Dulhan. Trust me, right? Don't suppress yourself. Be open. The thing, whatever you are looking or whatever you are presenting, present that thing in the way it is. In the way it is. Up now, when you talk about the clarity, first of all, you have to just practice your vocal and jawline. In last classes, I conducted this, right? Jawline and vocal, right? For example, if you say, yeah, because I know, just for example, if I talk about your dialect, so you have a very, very lisping dialect. So you speak in the same way or in the same tonality. But what you have to do, Majid Sahab, I also have observed you, and sometimes I encourage you, come on, Majid Sahab, speak louder, speak openly, come on, speak with clarity. But Majid Sahab does not follow it or sometimes tries to follow it. Maybe just because he's he has been introvert into English language or he speaks French. And French is all about, comment ça va, estoy bien, comment ça va, right, bonjour. So it's very, बड़ा पतला पतला हो जाता है मामला का, है ना? मुंह कम खोलो और फ्रेंच बोलो, राइट? ज्यादा खोलो हिंदी बोलो, थोड़ा ठीक ठाक खोलो इंग्लिश बोलो. So what we have to do or what we have to practice, we have to practice one thing, that is clarity. And how this clarity will come when exactly you have the information of that particular thing. The lesser knowledge you have, the more ego you have. The more knowledge you have, the lesser ego you have. So what you need proper knowledge, proper information of that. तो आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले जिस चीज को भी बोलना है उसको उसी हिसाब से क्लियर तरीके से बोलना है. वेलकम टू जामा मस्जिद. अब जामा मस्जिद है तो है, कुतुब मीनार है तो है, लाल किला है तो है, क्रॉस प्लेस है तो है, मंडी हाउस है तो है, प्रगति मैदान है तो है, हिंदी है तो है, चोकर है तो है, आटा है तो मैदा है. Damodara, you don't understand, man.
I like the frequency was.
Yeah, you like it. So what you have to do, you have to practice your jawline. Speak each and everything as it is. Are you ready to do that? Can you do that? Absolutely. Do you think you can do that? That is fantastic. So, yes, hi, good afternoon.
Hi sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Super.
Super. Are you comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Interesting. I like you.
Yeah.
That's interesting. All right. Come on. I like you.
Yeah.
You want to step out? All right. I like you.
Me too.
Interesting. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Okay, that's amazing. So, do you like this session?
It's a wonderful session.
It's a wonderful session. Are you enjoying it?
Really
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Are you internally happy or externally happy?
both.
Both. Do you give up full expression or suppress your emotions?
I need to cool. I need to
We need to.
completely.
You need to.
Yeah.
You want to.
Yeah.
But you don't.
I need to try.
You need to try.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about something. But first of all, you're gonna repeat after me. You're gonna imitate me, right?
Yeah.
आँखों में नमी थी.
आँखों में नमी थी.
विटामिन सी की कमी थी.
विटामिन सी क्या कमी थी.
जिससे मैंने सारी रात बात की. जिससे से
हाँ.
मैंने सारी रात बात की. मैंने सारी रात बात की. वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की.
और मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड की
मम्मी थी.
मम्मी थी.
ओके. वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की.
और मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड की
कौन थी?
कौन थी.
मम्मी थी.
मम्मी थी.
So here I will tell you one of the stories of my life.
Here I'm going to talk about my story.
Once I was talking to a lady,
Once I talking to a lady,
and that lady
and that lady
was no one
was no one
but my girlfriend's mother.
but my girlfriend's mother.
I got completely shocked.
I was completely shocked.
Oh my God, what the hell I did?
Oh my god, what I did.
What the hell I did?
What the hell I did. Oh my god.
Oh my God, it was so creepy, Raf.
It's very creepy. Oh, Kiwi.
So it was so creepy moment.
It's creepy, man.
Alright, so somebody came to me
So somebody came to me
and asked,
and asked,
"Hey Damodaram,
"Yeah, Damodran,
what have you done?"
what have you done?"
I said,
I said,
"I'm so sorry.
"I'm so sorry.
I was not aware
I'm not aware
that she was the mother of my girlfriend,
she is the mother of my girlfriend."
but I chatted her.
But I chatted her.
And I said,
I said,
your lipstick is quite nice."
"Your lipstick is quite nice."
And she was like,
She was like,
Mil bahar.
Milbag.
Right, Mil bahar means you understand?
No.
Meet me outside.
Wait, yeah,
Sorry. Mil bahar,
Milbag.
मैं तुझे देख लूंगी.
मैं तो दे
मैं तुझे देख लूंगी.
मुझे दे तो जंगी बग्गी.
मैं तुझे
मैं तुझे
देख लूंगी
देख लूंगी
और मैं
और मैं
तुझे काट के रख दूंगी.
मुझे खा रख दूंगी.
Okay. I will see you outside
I'll see you outside.
and I will cut into pieces
I'll cut into you pieces
because you
because you
misbehaved with me.
misbehaved with my mom.
I am 55 years old
I am 55 years old.
and you don't know
And you don't know
what the hell you are talking.
what the hell you're talking.
Your uncle will come
Your uncle will come.
and he will also beat you.
He will beat you.
Right? You have done a big mistake.
You have done a big mistake.
But ladies and gentlemen, trust me.
But ladies and gentlemen, trust me.
Trust me.
Trust me.
I was very relaxed.
I was really relaxed.
I was calm.
I was calm.
I was thinking, all right, it's fine. It's happening.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, happiness happened. What can I do?
Oh, it's all fine. It happened.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, done. That is done.
Okay. So I asked to one of my friends and he told me that Damodar, it's all right, man, calm down.
I told to my friend, he said it's fine. Okay, calm down, Damo.
All right, Damodar, you calm down.
You calm down.
उसने बोला
उसने बोला
कि कोई बात नहीं चलता है.
एको बातें चलते.
Okay, so at that moment,
At that moment,
I made a decision
I made a decision
to not talk to any unknown person
to not talk to any unknown person
because he or she may be old lady.
She may be old lady.
Hey guys, I'm in Happiness Institute. Hey guys, I'm in
Hey, hi.
Happiness Institute.
I'm from a Happiness Institute.
And trust me,
And trust me,
I am developing myself.
I am developing myself.
My confidence,
My confidence,
my fluency,
affluence,
my proficiency,
my
my
proficiency,
personality.
personal,
And one day,
and one day,
I will transform myself.
I will transform myself.
I will speak for 30 to 40 seconds and you will imitate me after I finish. Everybody struggles in his or her life. It's all right. Why are you sitting and being scared of this struggle? A struggle is the part of each and everyone's life. But it's not letting you and allowing you to go and hunt your dream. You have to get up, wake up, and say to yourself that, hey, Abdullah, get up and do it, because the struggle is part of your life.
Why are you sitting? See, struggle is a part of life. Everybody has a struggle. You have to overcome it, okay? If you are only sitting, nothing can happen. Come on, wake up. You can do it. Come on. You can transform.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Damodaran, thank you so much. Shukran ya Habibi.
Shukran ya Habibi.
Shukran ya Habibi.
Shukran ya Habibi.
हम सुधरेंगे नहीं कभी भी.
Eh?
हम सुधरेंगे नहीं
Sundara nahi.
कभी भी.
Habibi.
All right, Habibi. कहते हैं कि किसी को किसी की मुलाकात से मोहब्बत हुई. किसी को किसी की मुलाकात से मोहब्बत हुई तो किसी को किसी की बात से मोहब्बत हुई. किसी को किसी के अंदाज से मोहब्बत हुई तो किसी को किसी के जज्बात से मोहब्बत हुई. और देखो, पूरी दुनिया को मेरी आवाज से मोहब्बत हुई. पूरी दुनिया को मेरी आवाज से मोहब्बत. Right. And now what you need to understand, make the entire world crazy just with the help of your Damodaram, your voice, right? You know. This voice has so much power. Even Mahatma Gandhi, even Martin Luther, even Abraham Lincoln, Barack Hussein Obama, even Modi, right? You know, Modi, right? You know, everybody, you know, use this tool as to shoot, not to shoot, to shoot, right? The exact, you know, democratic people of India and of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Afroz be on the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Come on. He is scared. What is happening, yeah? Come on, are you scared?
No, sir.
Come on, you are Bahadur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un और fi नार jahannam.
No, sir.
कुछ नहीं. When there is any mayyat, what will you say? हाँ? तो कोई मैयत होगी तो क्या बोलोगे? हाँ, आप देखें. इनको भी देखिए क्या एकदम सप्रेस साउंड है. सामने वाले को सवाब की बजाय गुनाह लग जाएगा. राइट, तो थोड़ा सा महसूस करके. अरे इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन. राइट. सो अस्सलामु अलैकुम या अहलल कुबूर. You know the meaning of this?
Yes.
When we go in front of the qabristan, and we say assalamu alaikum ya ahlal qabul. So are you ready for qabul? Qabul कहाँ होता है? एक ही जगह होता है. Are you ready for qabul? He's ready. तैयार है. He's ready for qabul. You know Damodaram? Qabul means to accept the marriage. All right. Okay. So first of all, you have to speak few things after me, right? Stand up. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Speak something with me. I'm speaking from backside, right? Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
ऐसे लगा हाय जैसे कि अब क्या बताऊं मैं. चलो, hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
अब ये जो everybody है वो चले गए रोड के पार. वहां बैठ गए हैं. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
रोड के और पार चले गए. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
थोड़ा और shout करिए.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
5 बार.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
और
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
और once more.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
यहाँ से पूरी यहाँ से आवाज देगा ये.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
यहाँ से और
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड
everybody good afternoon
हेलो हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
फिर से यहाँ से
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
थोड़ा और चीख के थोड़ा थोड़ा कम ज्यादा समय दे के
हेलो गुड ऑफ
हाँ यहाँ से लाना है
हेलो
यहाँ लीवर कैसा है
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग
लीवर कहाँ है लीवर है
सही लीवर
पता नहीं भाई लीवर इधर चला गया और किडनी चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं हो सकता है मिसप्लेस हो गया आई थिंक ओके सो यहाँ से लेके आना है लीवर से ले आओ हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग
बोलो 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 शर्माना नहीं है नकल भी नहीं मार पा रहे हो चलो कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून बोल से चिल्ला के
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
5 बार और
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
और
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
यहाँ से और चिल्ला के
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
और hello everybody good afternoon
हेलो एवरीबॉडी गुड आफ्टरनून
so all right everybody we are here ladies and gentlemen
so I am here
ladies and gentlemen मारो 3 बार थपोड़ी
so
Damodar level we come from thapori knees clapping right okay you will not understand that thapori सोचे क्या है लोमड़ी all right you know so come on you know so ladies and gentlemen I'm here
so ladies and gentlemen I'm here
to talk about my power,
my power
my strength,
my
my confidence,
my
my jazba,
my zaz
my junoon,
my जुनून
उबलता हुआ खून
उबलता हुआ खून
और आइए आज बात करते हैं
और आइए आज हम बात करते हैं
इंतकाम की,
इंतकाम
एक
की
पहचान की,
एक पहचान
एक नाम की,
एक नाम की
एक शोहरत की,
एक शोहरत
इबादत की,
इबादत की
बगावत की,
बगावत
इंतजामात की
इंतजामात
और हर वो पहलू की
और वो हर पहलू की
जिससे आप सभी की जिंदगी
जिससे आप सभी की जिंदगी
खूबसूरत बनती है।
खूबसूरत बन
आइए जिंदगी को खूबसूरत बनाया जाए और जिंदगी में 4 चांद लगाया जाए।
आइए इस खूबसूरत जिंदगी को
बनाया जाए
बनाया जाए और चार चांद लगाया जाए
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen
brighten
brighten
your life,
your life
not your wife.
not your wife
हाँ अभी तो तुम थे तैयार थे चलो brighten your life,
brighten your life
not your wife.
not your
Look at me,
look me I'm here
very cool.
cool
बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो ये लो कूल वाली बॉडी लैंग्वेज हार्दिक पांड्या वाला शॉट है क्या ऐसे देता है वर्ल्ड कप जीतने
very cool
हाँ वेरी कूल कूल ऐसे कूल राइट दामोदरम हाउ कूल हाउ टू बी कूल एग्जैक्टली शाहरुख खान बन गए alright you know cool right so come on what do you have to do
very cool
उठा मत देना पैर राइट वेरी कूल की जगह फूल बन जाएगा मामला सो वेरी कूल
relax
आई एम हैप्पी एंड जॉली
I'm happy jolly
अब देखो मैं नाच के कैसे क्यों आई एम हैप्पी एंड जॉली
I'm happy and jolly
तो पीछे ही क्यों मुड़ गए बोला आई एम हैप्पी एंड जॉली
I'm happy and jolly
आई एम हैप्पी ना चेहरे से लग नहीं रहा यू आर हैप्पी कहीं ना कहीं नर्वसनेस दिख रही है एंजॉय करो मोमेंट को एंजॉय करो राइट आई एम हैप्पी
I'm happy
आई एम हैप्पी राइट क्या बोलना है आया
happy
आई एम हैप्पी राइट आर यू हैप्पी
yes sir I'm happy
I have 3 puppy. You know the meaning of puppy? Damodaram?
that's
No, let's kiss. देखो ये गलत वाली जगह पहुंची है पहले हाँ पपी स्मॉल पपी हाँ आई हैव 3 पपी
I have 3 pups
हाँ पप्पी अलग चीज होती है
puppy
हाँ पपी क्या बोलना देखो प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखो पप्पी तो आई हैव 3 पपी सही है आई हैव 3 पप्पी तब पापा पीटेंगे राइट सो आई हैव 3 puppy right okay so ladies and gentlemen
Maji Saab
Damodaram
Damodaram
Priyanka Dugga
Priyanka Dugga
my mommy, and everybody.
and everybody.
You. Everybody.
Everybody.
Me too.
Me too.
We all.
We all.
Together.
Together.
We can do.
We can
I
do.
can do.
I can do.
You can do.
You can
He
do.
can do.
We can
She
do.
can do.
She can do.
Everybody can do.
Everybody
Hi,
can do.
Afroz. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your life?
My life is good.
Your life is good. हाथ काँप रहा है?
No, sir.
हाथ काँप रहा है?
No.
नहीं काँप रहा है? कंपन चली गई? इतने महीने से आ रहे हैं, कभी बोला नहीं? कुछ महसूस हो रहा है? कुछ रिलैक्स लग रहा है दिल को? ऐसा लग रहा है भड़ास निकल गई कई सालों की. You know the meaning of bharas? I'll tell you. All the emotions inside, that came out. You are comfortable or not?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Hello everybody, good afternoon.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Right? मजा आ रहा है. Are you ready to build your confidence?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Nice meeting you.
Yes, same to you.
जब किसी से हाथ मिलाइए तो हाथ को हमेशा तगड़ा रखा करिए. पॉइंट ये है कि वो क्या करेगा जो प्रोफेशनल होता है ना वो ये समटाइम्स ये पुष्पा राज देखिए ऐसे चक फिर पता क्या चला कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई एनर्जी भी तो देखो क्या पिल्ला सर की. कम ऑन. Clarity. Open your mouth. Open your body language. Be all right. So what do you need to do? You need to be open. I would like to welcome Majissa. Please be on the stage. I am from France. And what you need to do? You need to just, guide me, Rajghat, in French language. I want to understand. Bonjour. Bonjour, monsieur. Comment ça va? Estoy bien. I'm sorry, I don't know. You continue, please. Right. Okay, so, come on, yes, in French, absolutely, yes. Okay, bonjour, bonjour, monsieur. Maintenant, nous sommes dans le quartier de Rajghat. Rajghat est célèbre pour le cimetière. Il y a beaucoup de cimetières de politiciens indiens, comme... The politicians? Yeah, okay. So, ito नहीं समझ में आया. So, le policier comme Mahatma Gandhi et Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, il y a les autres cimetières. Mais c'est célèbre pour Mahatma Gandhi. Parce que Mahatma Gandhi, il était notre père national. Donc, c'est la place où le corps de Mahatma Gandhi a été brûlé. MashaAllah, Mazisaf, that's amazing. You're super and incredible. He knows great French, I think, right? Even I understood only Mahatma Gandhi, Nathuram Godse, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. Apart from this, everything got bounced, Out of. Exactly, right? I didn't understand. So you are master of this French language, by the way. Yes, you can say because I have worked in the French language. Okay. For 10 years. For 10 years, you have worked in French language. Yes, in French domain, in other like MNCs. That is fantastic. So, I will give you another opportunity, the same thing what you did in French. Now you will be doing the same thing in English language. Hello, everyone. So, now we are in the area of Rajghat. So, as you know, Rajghat is crematorium or crematorium of great martyrs. Rajghat is famous for crematorium. So there are lots of crematoriums of politicians like Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, or Rajiv Gandhi. But this is famous for Mahatma Gandhi. Because Mahatma Gandhi was the father of nation, and he was actually died. He was actually shot or killed. He was shot. I killed. Nathuram Godse. He was like a kind of fanatic Hindu. Like he thought like Mahatma Gandhi was the reason of separation of India separation. Yes. So he killed him. So the body of Mahatma Gandhi was brought here and burned. So there is his crematorium. So there is a place where Mahatma Gandhi's body was burned. So there is it is made of black sandstone, and there is written like Hiram. It's mean like in Hindi Hiram, and like O Dieu en français, and oh God, and God, right. So that's the main reason like tourists come here to give his or her homage to Mahatma Gandhi, and other politicians come from around the world. They came here to visit that place. Fantastic, fantastic. Super big explanation. Like last 1 minute, you need to imitate me, right? First of all, I will be speaking for 20 seconds something. You also have to speak for 20 or 30 seconds, right? Okay, so everybody, I am here. Let me tell you that I will be the best version of myself within a short span of time. I do believe in it because I'm working hard for this. I will be a confident communicator, public speaker, a confident personality, and the best version of myself. You just wait and watch because this time I'm working on my personality development and transformation. Thank you very much, everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Majid Ali Khan and I am here to develop my communication skills and I know one day I will definitely develop it and you will see the right version of myself, like how I deliver the speech or how I communicate with others. So definitely I'm going to improve myself. Thank you everyone.
Interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Majid Shah is here. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon.
Hi everybody, good afternoon.
Look at me.
Look at me,
Look into my eyes.
look into my eyes.
I am mommy.
I'm mommy.
और थोड़ा clarity से I am mommy.
I'm mommy.
I am here
I'm here
to improve
to improve
my eye contact.
my icon.
I will look my right hand.
I look my right hand.
देखो. I will look my left hand.
I look my left hand.
Then thumb.
Then thumb.
Then again thumb.
Then again thumb.
Then I will look Priyanka.
Then I will look Priyanka.
And then Damodaram.
Then Damodaram.
Then Mr. Josefa.
Then Mr. Fujefa.
Junaid.
Junaid.
Right. Then I will look Mr. Junaid.
Then I will look Junaid.
Then Mr. Gemsto. Sunny. Then Mr.
Sunny.
Then I will look Majid Saab
I will look Maji Saab
and Afroz.
and Afroz.
All people are
All people are
very good.
very good.
अब कहाँ देख रही हो? तुम्हारी आंखें ऐसे टंग सी क्यों हो जाती है? ऐसे ऐसे फिर हो जाती है। इसे भांग खा के आई हो? आंखों को तिलमिला के इन लोगों को देखो, समझ रही हो ना? फिर देखो अब कहीं टंग गई, फिर कुछ सोचने लगी। सुनो सुनो हेलो हाँ जैसे ये हम लोग के साथ भी होता है तो ऐ दिल ठहर जा
ए दिल ये ठहर जा,
जीने की कोई
जीने की कोई
तू वजह ढूंढ ले।
ढूंढ.
Hey my heart,
Hey my hearts,
find out
find out
the reason
the reason
to live,
to live,
to enjoy, to sustain, to maintain, to be healthy, to be wealthy,
to be healthy,
because you are strong.
because you were strong.
My God,
Hey God,
you are with me.
you are with me.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I can do this.
I can do this.
I am confident.
I am confident.
Hey God, look at me.
Hey God, look at me.
I can crack
I can grab
my interview.
my interview.
I can get a job.
I the job.
I can get a job.
The job.
I can build my empire.
Build my empire.
Because my name is Mom.
Because my name is Mommy.
I am mommy here.
I am Mommy here.
Confident,
Confident.
powerful,
Powerful.
strong.
Strong.
And I am a Vimania.
I am a humania.
Himania nahi, Vimania. I'm a Vimania.
Womania.
Right?
I am a womania.
Women हो ना?
Yes.
Vimania बना के थोड़ा stylish बना दो. I'm a Vimania.
I am a womania.
And I believe
And I will
in Nari Sashakti-karan.
Nari Sashakti-karan.
हाँ, Nari Sashakti-karan.
Nari Sashakti-karan.
I believe
I believe.
in the Shakti of Nari.
I believe in Shakti
Of
of Nari.
they are so pyari.
They are so pyari.
They are nyari.
They are Nari.
Hey, strong Nari.
Hey, strong Nari.
Alright?
Yes.
Hope you understand?
Yes.
हमने चाहा आपको, आपने चाहा किसी और। हाय हाय। हमने चाहा आपको, आपने चाहा किसी और को। खुदा करे कि जिसे चाहो आप वो चाहे किसी और को।
अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है। हमने चाहा किसी और को, आपने चाहा किसी और को, खुदा करे वो भी चाहे किसी और को। Samuta, I'll translate. I loved someone, you loved someone, and now the God bless that she should love someone, and after that you should be no one.